Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create talking objects like fruits, vegetables, and other objects in Talking Photos version 3. Let me first show you an example.
Hey guys, with the new Talking Photos version 3 update, you can now create talking objects like fruits, vegetables, and anything else. For example, Anthony created this talking banana. If you'd like to learn how to create talking objects, check Anthony's step-by-step tutorial.
So that was pretty cool, right? Let me show you how. So I'm logged into my Talking Photos account. Click on Create Video at the top, and you'll see this pop up with these options. You can create talking, singing, and dancing photos, and I've created separate tutorials for each of these. So I'll choose Fantasy, Animal, Video. In step 1, you need to choose a style. As you can see, there are two options here, Close Up and Waist Up. I'll choose the high quality option and then click Next. In step 2, you need to choose the aspect ratio. You can create horizontal and vertical videos. I'll choose the vertical option, which is 9:16 aspect ratio, and then click on Create New Character. In step 3, you need to generate the character. If you're generating a character from scratch, you can use this drop down here to choose the gender, male or female. Now this is mainly for the text-to-speech. And then using this drop down, you can choose animal or fantasy. Generally, you should choose fantasy for fruits, vegetables, and other objects, anything other than animals or birds. I'm going to leave it to the animal option just to test it out, but I would recommend using fantasy if you're using it for like fruits, vegetables, and other objects. And then in this box, you enter the image prompt. Now, if you already have your character, you can enter in this box, recreate this image, or even just put a dot, a period in this box. And then you would upload your image here. You can just drag and drop it. In my case, I'm going to be creating my own character from scratch, so I'll enter my detailed image prompt here. You can use ChatGPT or any other AI to create the prompt, and then click on Generate. It'll then start generating the image, so give it a few seconds. Sometimes this can take about a minute or so. And here is the image is generated, which looks fine to me. But if you need to, you can regenerate it. So this character looks feminine to me, so I'll change the gender to female. And like I said earlier, this is mainly if you're going to be using text-to-speech for the voiceover. If you hover your mouse over this image, you can use this button to download it to your computer, and then click Next. In step 4, you need to choose the audio. As you can see, there are several options here. You can import an audio file from your computer by clicking the Import Audio button. You can record your own voice right here. If you have Clone Voice, which is another AI voice app, you can use it to generate the audio. And finally, you can use the built-in text-to-speech option, which is what I'm going to do. I'll leave it to the default English, and then for the voice, I'll just stick with area. And down below, you can use these sliders to control the speed and pitch. And then enter the text-to-speech text into this box. Then click on Import Speech. And then you can use the play button once it's processed the audio to preview the audio. And then click on Next. In the final step, you render the MP4 video. So give it a project name, and then click on Render Video. It'll bring you to this page, and you can then click on Go to My Videos, where you'll see the status of the video rendering. And then once completed, you can use these buttons to play, download, clone, or delete the project. And this one rendered in about 5 minutes. Now let me show you a few examples of talking objects that I've created.
I look sweet because I am sweet. Catch me now, this is my happiest moment.
I'm crisp, shiny, and ready right now. Wait too long, and even my smile goes soft.
Expiration dates aren't suggestions. Ignore them and I turn on you.
One damn toast. Next damn science. Check me before commitment.
I'm not a failure. I'm the final step. Everything ends somewhere.
So that was pretty cool, right? You can get Talking Photos for a one-time discounted price for a limited time. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.